Okay, so I'm just going to give a quick run through of how this script works. Basically, you're trying to find a point which is maybe obscured by something, an actor or a prop or something like that in the scene, but you can see the lines which are leading to it. So here we've got these two straight lines which are leading to our point. So what you do is you create points for intersection. They come up here, A1, A2, etc. The idea is you place A1 and A2 on the same line and B1 and B2 on the same line. So they don't have to be on either side. I could place them like here. It tends to be more accurate if you place them far apart, as long as the lines are properly straight. And then if we place these ones over here, try and get that nice and precise. And this one up here somewhere. Alright, so once you've placed them, just select your initial point and then run update point by intersection and just snaps it to the intersect there. It does take into account distortion, so yeah, make sure you set up distortion before you run it. Okay, so this is the other main situation where you might find this script useful. Say you've got this point here and you've got some survey geometry for it, but it's outside of frame. Now you can sort of see the straight lines leading to it, so this is perfect for our script. So if I'll just switch back to, or rather I'll just create the point here. Now it won't actually calculate at the moment because it's set to be valid only inside a frame. So set that to always. Now it's working. So you can sort of line it up with the lines by eye. But if you want to use a script for it, switch back to the manual tracking. Create points for intersection. Here we've got our points. So place these. Select our first point and then run the script. And if we jump back into the lineup view, run match frame all, so all points. There you can see it's aligned it to these points that we created for it. So that's about it. If you have any suggestions, run into any bugs or anything, send me an email. It is the first script I've written in 3DEqualizer. So yeah, there might be stuff wrong with it, but yeah, send me an email if you find anything and I'll look at it.